So what if you as HR leaders and your core leadership teams within an organization has the ability to start pulling data on behaviors that drives the profitability engine within your organization? What if you were able to start connecting the dots between how people are feeling, how they're actually engaging with their work, how they're communicating, how their KPIs are being achieved or not achieved, and pulling this all together in a single data system? This is Ashi Singh here, founder and Chief Visionary Officer of InterBeing Leadership and the creator of InterBeing Care Connect software, the world's first cutting-edge culture transformation and employee well-being software. A single platform that draws in multiple inputs that helps you as leadership or as HR within your organization to join the dots and tell the story about what makes your culture tick, what keeps your employees well, and how this drives process, productivity, people, performance, and profitability within your organization. The Wellbeing module on a small scale within one's organization starts contributing towards the overall well-being of your employees. And in this space, employees are able to take self-assessments, they're able to generate reports that are 100% confidential, they're able to access self-help tools where, at a touch of a button, tell me how to. So tell me how to sleep better. Tell me how to have work-life balance. The next module starts looking at the human value and need of feeling appreciated, feeling like people are actually seeing me and recognizing me. And this is our Smiles module on the software. And Smiles is really there to do exactly what the name intends, make people smile. Now, far too often, we forget to say thank yous. We forget to acknowledge people around us. The next module is around a social connect or our social wall on the platform. So think about this as having your own in-house Facebook or Instagram, but here now you're creating this entire social network for your own organization. The other major module in the software is what I call Employee Connect. Now, Employee Connect is kind of, in a way, your typical performance and development assessment process, but I've really zhushed this up and changed it up to make this something that starts feeling less like, oh my gosh, I'm having a performance review coming up, to like, oh wow, I'm really looking forward to the conversations that I'm going to have with my leader about what has transpired over the last 6 months. So the next module in the software is the Pulse Check survey. In InterBeing Care Connect, the beauty part here is that your pulse check surveys are within your system, which means you are creating and you're developing surveys that are, on topics that are pertinent to your own organization. You're able to push these surveys out to employees, all employees, or the relevant groups of employees. And the beauty part is that you're getting people's voices back, and you're using those voices to actually start driving change in your organization. So now let's look into the event management's module. Now, event management's module creates a little bit of excitement in your organization, right? Employees receiving a calendar invite could suffice, right? But what if now you could create a little bit more excitement and enthusiasm over your various events that are coming up, and you're able to schedule the event on the InterBeing Care Connect software, and the organization is able to see on the social wall on your homepage that there's an event coming up. So let's look a little deeper into the employee profile module embedded within the InterBeing Care Connect system. This particular module is designed to make HR hands-free and allow employees to use this as employee self-service. So as you onboard your employees into the organization, you have the ability to direct them to the employee profile section, and they then have the ability to upload all of the data that you require to have up-to-date HR records. I invite you in to find out more about InterBeing Care Connect, and let's have further conversations around how your organization can opt in to have a once-in-a-lifetime experience to make a difference to human beings all around you.